I saw a picture saying it takes 1 hour to speak like a native.
It looks interesting and makes me want to try it.
The idea sounds so exciting and motivating.
It does, and it makes learning feel fast and fun.
I really want to speak more like a native speaker.
That goal's possible with the right practice.
I think pronunciation is my biggest problem.
We can fix that by listening carefully and repeating daily.
I always feel nervous while speaking English.
Confidence grows when you practice every single day.
I want to sound smooth and natural when I talk.
Start using simple, natural phrases in daily conversation.
I hear people say, "What's up?" instead of, "How are you?"
That's because it sounds more friendly and casual.
I like how it feels easy and relaxed.
That's how native speech usually sounds.
I also notice they speak faster than me.
They do, but speed comes with comfort and listening.
I sometimes pause too long between words.
Try linking words together without full stops.
That sounds hard, but I can try it.
You can start small, like saying gonna instead of going to.
I like that short form. It sounds natural.
Exactly. Contractions make speech flow better.
I used to think only formal English was correct.
Formal English is good, but natural speech is about rhythm.
I love how native speakers use emotion in their voices.
That's part of their natural expression and tone.
I think tone changes meaning a lot.
It does. Emotion helps listeners understand your feeling.
I sometimes translate from my language in my head.
Thinking directly in English helps avoid that delay.
It's difficult, but I want to learn to think in English.
You can practice by describing things around you in English.
That's a good idea. I'll start doing that daily.
It will train your brain to respond faster.
I find idioms very confusing sometimes.
They are fun once you understand their meanings.
I like break the ice. It sounds funny.
It means to start a friendly conversation easily.
I want to collect more idioms like that.
Listening to songs or shows helps you learn them naturally.
I listen to English songs every morning.
That's a great way to catch real pronunciation.
I sing along even if I make mistakes.
That's perfect. It builds fluency and rhythm.
I try to copy how singers pronounce words.
That improves your accent in a fun way.
I watch American movies with subtitles too.
Later, try watching without subtitles for more challenge.
That sounds exciting and scary at the same time.
It's okay to feel that. Learning grows through challenges.
I really like learning with fun methods.
Fun learning keeps your motivation high.
I also talk to myself in English sometimes.
That's a very effective habit to build fluency.
I feel shy speaking in front of others, though.
Start small. Maybe record your voice privately.
I never tried that before. It sounds useful.
It helps you hear your pronunciation clearly.
I sometimes notice my words sound heavy.
That's because you might be stressing wrong syllables.
I didn't know stress matters that much.
Yes, English stress patterns change meanings often.
I'll pay more attention to that from now on.
Good idea. It will make you sound more native.
I think accent plays a big role too.
It does, but clarity is more important than accent.
I like the American accent more than others.
Then focus on listening to American speakers regularly.
I will watch more videos with real conversations.
That's perfect exposure for natural learning.
I sometimes copy movie dialogues for practice.
That's excellent because it teaches real-life phrases.
I love how characters express emotion through words.
Emotion brings life and energy to your sentences.
I'm learning how tone changes questions and statements.
That's a smart observation. Intonation builds meaning.
I think speaking fast is not the only goal.
Right, it's about sounding clear and confident.
I want to feel confident during conversations.
Confidence grows from repetition and self belief.
I repeat small dialogues many times daily.
That's great. Repetition makes your speech automatic.
I feel improvement in my pronunciation already.
That's progress you should celebrate proudly.
I want to learn how natives connect ideas smoothly.
They use linking words like so, then, and actually.
Those words make sentences sound connected and natural.
Exactly. Transitions help in fluent conversations.
I sometimes forget the right linking word.
Keep a small list and review it often.
I'm starting to enjoy this learning journey.
Enjoyment keeps your energy high for practice.
I think mindset is very important for learners.
It's the strongest tool to reach fluency.
I feel more positive after this talk.
Positivity makes learning faster and lighter.
I want to sound like myself, but fluent.
That's the best goal. Be authentic and confident.
I'll practice for 1 hour daily, like the picture said.
One focused hour can change your communication skills.
I will speak, listen, and repeat without fear.
That's the spirit every learner should have.
I'll make mistakes, but keep moving forward.
Mistakes are lessons, not problems.
I'll try to use English naturally every day.
That's how you build real fluency step by step.
I feel ready to start my 1 hour plan today.
Then begin with enthusiasm and consistency.
I'll start with listening to native podcasts.
That's an excellent beginning for accent training.
I'll repeat after the speaker many times.
That's shadowing practice, a powerful method.
I'll record myself and compare with them.
That helps you notice small pronunciation differences.
I'll write new phrases I learn daily.
That keeps vocabulary fresh and organized.
I'll use those phrases in real conversations.
Practice in context makes memory stronger.
I'll join online groups to talk in English.
That builds real interaction experience.
I'll try to speak without overthinking grammar.
That's great. Fluency comes before perfection.
I'll correct my mistakes calmly after speaking.
That's the best learning attitude you can have.
I feel excited about improving quickly.
Excitement fuels continuous learning.
I love the idea of learning through fun.
Fun keeps your heart involved in progress.
I'll watch comedies to pick up casual speech.
That's a creative way to learn native humor.
I'll mimic their jokes and timing too.
Timing makes humor sound natural and confident.
I'll notice how they pause while speaking.
Pauses add rhythm and clarity to speech.
I'll try reading aloud with feeling.
That improves tone and pronunciation together.
I'll practice small talks about daily life.
That builds comfort in real conversations.
I'll describe my day out loud in English.
That trains fluency and natural expression.
I'll listen to myself carefully for mistakes.
That helps refine your sound and rhythm.
I'll repeat until it feels natural to say.
That's how habits form through repetition.
I'll smile while speaking to sound friendly.
Smiling actually changes your tone positively.
I'll relax and speak with ease from now.
Relaxed speech sounds more native and smooth.